This is R.D. Sharma solution. We are taking indefinite integrals chapter 19 of class 12th exercises 19.30. X square plus 1 divided by x into x square minus 1. Now this x square minus 1 in this integral can be written as, because we know that a squared minus b squared is x square minus 1 square in this case, and we can write it as x minus 1 into x plus 1 because a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A is x here, b is 1 here. So first we will use the partial fraction or try to transform it to in the form of partial fraction. So this x square minus 1 I have written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this will be a divided by x plus b divided by, there are three factors, therefore we need three constants, b divided by x minus 1 plus c divided by x plus 1. So the first thing, the left hand side will remain the same, the right hand side will take the LCM. So x minus 1, x plus 1, in the denominator on the right hand side, after taking the LCM, x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 will come. Then except x, others will be multiplied by a in the numerator. So a multiplied by x minus 1 into x plus 1. Then b multiplied by everything except x minus 1. So b multiplied by x multiplied by x plus 1. Now c, except x plus 1, multiply x and x minus 1. Now this x can be written as 0, can be placed as minus 1 and can be placed as plus 1. In order to get a, b, c, the denominator gets cancelled. Assume that the numerator is equation number 1. When we place x equals to 0 on both the sides, 0 square plus 1 will be equal to a into 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. So 1 will be equal to a into negative 1 into positive 1. So it is negative a. So a became negative 1 here. The second thing is x will be placed or replaced by x equals to 1. So the first and the last term will become 0. So b will remain, we are putting x equals to 1 on both the sides. 1 square plus 1 equals to b into 1 plus 1. 2 equals to b into 1 plus 2. 1 into 2. So b became 1. The third thing is we will place x equals to negative 1. So the first and the second term will become 0. C will get. So both the sides you have to place x equals to negative 1. So negative 1 whole square will be equal to negative 1 whole square plus 1 will be equal to c into negative 1 into negative 2. Minus minus become positive 2 here, 2 there. So c will be equal to 2. So this equation will be formed like this. Negative 1 divided by x. In place of b it will be 1 divided by x minus 1. In place of c it will be 2 divided by x plus 1. Now when we will integrate these three different terms with respect to x, like this, negative 1 will take outside and this is the integration. Alright, c is 1 here, okay? Please remember c is 1. So I became like this, and this is negative integration of dx by x plus dx by x minus 1. And if you remember, 2 equals to c into 2. So by mistake I have written c equals to 2 there. It is c equals to 1 here. So integration of dx by x plus 1. First became negative log modulus x because 1 by x is log x. Here also log, whenever I am saying log, you must consider is to be ln. ln is log base e. Now we have 2 plus term, 1 negative term. So log a plus log b. So log a plus log b will give us log a multiplied by b. So then let's write it, plus log ln x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this will be x square minus 1. Now we have ln x square plus 1 minus ln x. So you have two terms here, negative ln x plus ln x square minus 1. So log a minus log b. Now we'll apply this result. So log a minus log b will be equal to log a divided by b. This will be equal to ln x square minus 1 divided by x. So take the modulus plus constant of integration. So whatever we have discussed, same thing I have done here, or this is the reference for you, those who are doing it by themselves. And this is how you have to write actually. All these English putting and equation number 1 or 2, this you have to give. 2x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 3 divided by x square minus 1 into 2x plus 3. Call it as an integral. First we will try to make it this integration as a partial fraction terms. 2x minus 3 divided by x square minus 1 we have just done. So x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided, and 2x plus 3 is already there. Now write this a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x plus 1 and c divided by 2x plus 3. On left it will be same. I'll just write it. I'm writing do just for a while. In the denominator you will get x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by 2x plus 3. Now a will have except x minus 1 other members x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. With b except x plus 1 other two factors. What are those? X minus 1 into 2x plus 3. Now with c except 2x plus 3 other factors like x minus 1 into x plus 1. So let me write this left hand side so that we can cancel it out. Denominator is same as the right hand side. The numerator is 2x minus 3. Now cancel this denominator and call it as equation number 1. The numerator, call it as the equation number 1. So the equation number 1, let me write it because it's very important. 2x minus 3 will be equal to a into x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 plus x minus 1 into x plus 1. C is here. We will find out a, b, c. First we will put x equals 1. When we put x equals to 1, only the first term will remain. The second and third term will become 0. So 2 into 1 minus 3 will be equal to a into 1 plus 1 and 2 into 1 plus 3. 2 minus 3 will be equal to a into 2 plus 5 into 5. 2 into 1 plus 3 is 5. So negative 1 on the left, 10 on the right. So a became negative 1 by 10. Now coming to the other two constants b and c. We'll put x equals to negative 1. So the first term will become 0 and this third term will become 0. So we'll get a b here. Replace x equals to negative 1 everywhere. On the left also you have to do the same. 2 into negative 1 minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3 is negative 5 equals to b. Negative 1 is negative 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So negative you can cancel. B became 5 by 2. Coming to the third constant. Now we'll put x equals to negative 3 by 2. How did I get it? If you put 2x plus 3 equals to 0, at what value of x 2x plus 3 will become 0? It will be x equals to negative 3 by 2. So that's why we have to replace or put x equals to negative 3 by 2 in order to get c. So I'm replacing left and right hand side all x by negative 3 by 2 and we know that the first and second term will be 0. Only the third term with c will remain. So this will be negative 3, negative 6. On right it will be 1 minus 3 by 2 will be simply 2 minus 3 by 2, that is negative half. Negative 3 by 2 minus 1 is negative 5 by 2. Okay, there is no cancellation, only the negative gets cancelled and minus is plus. So C will be equal to 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 divided by 5 and with a negative sign. So A, B, C we have got. So what is the next step we are going to do? We'll replace A, B, C in this equation. This is how we are going to integrate. A will be negative 1 by 10. B will be 5 by 2 and C will be negative 24 by 5. So this is your I. I will be equal to, it was negative 1 by 10 A. So D in negative 1 by 10 integration of dx by x minus 1. The second term was 5 by 2 integration of dx divided by x plus 1. The third term was negative 24 by 5 integration of 1 by 2x plus 3 dx. Negative 1 by 10. This will be ln modulus of x minus 1. Then we have 5 by 2 ln modulus of x plus 1 minus 24 by 5 ln modulus of 2x plus 3. Now this 2x plus 3 will be differentiated also. So 2 will come and that will be divided. So you'll get a 12 by 5. That will be a final answer. But if you want to keep it like this, then also it's okay. So I'm just showing you this one. I hope you got the idea why this 12 by 5 has come. Because differentiation of 2x plus 3, 2 will be cancelled by 24 to get 12. X cube divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now you have x cube in the numerator, x cube in the denominator. If you multiply x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So the power remains the same in the numerator and denominator. For that you will get a 1 plus. If you remember the first discussion we had when I was telling you all the results which we are going to follow in this exercise. So 1 plus. How this 1 plus has come? We will divide them because the power or the order of numerator and denominator are same. That is the reason why we are doing it. Let's multiply x minus 2 and x minus 3 first. It will be x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6. Now multiply it with x minus 1. So x cube minus 5x square plus 6x, then minus x square plus 5x minus 6. Once I multiplied with x, once I multiplied it with negative 1. So x cube then negative 6x square, this all dealt 6x and 5x will give you 11x and minus 6. So this is your denominator. Now we need to divide, you need to divide x cube. So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Now the division will take place like this, x cube here. So in order to get x cube, you have to multiply this with 1. So x cube, everything will remain same because only multiplication of 1 will not change anything. But now you have to subtract these. X cube will get cancelled, and all others will change the sign. That is, you will get 6x square here minus 11x minus plus 6. So this you will get. Okay. Now this one, there is a slight change in that sign. You understood that. Okay. So 6x square plus 11x. So let me write the denominator now. X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So this integral has come. So when you integrate this integration of first term will be simply x plus. But remember, this is 6x square minus 11x. There is only one change. Okay. So let's call it as I1, which we are finding out. I1 was, after the change of that sign which I told you, 6x square minus 11x plus 6 and divided by, when you multiply this, you will get something, but I am writing it as it is, as I haven't multiplied it. Now because the order of the numerator is less than the order of the denominator, now we can have a, b, c, because 3 factors are there in the denominator. So you have a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2 plus c divided by x minus 3. Now cross multiplication. 6x square minus 11x plus 6 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now you will take the LCM here. So all these will be multiplied and kept in the denominator. X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. A will have what? Except x minus 1 other things like x minus 2 and x minus 3. Similarly, except x minus 2 other factors just multiplied by b. X minus 1 into x minus 3. And with c, what will come? Except x minus 3, x minus 1 and x minus 2 will come. Now you just cancel these denominator and assume that the numerator is equation number some certain one. This is just an equation. Now we'll try to find out the a, b, c, which are the constants. Now in this equation, which I am calling it as equation number 1, place x equals to 2. So when you put x equals to 2, the first and the third term will become 0. You'll get a b from here. So 6 into 2 square minus 11 into 2 plus 6 equals to b into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3. 6 into 4 minus 22 plus 6 will be equal to b into 1 into negative 1. 6 4s are 24, minus 22 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 equals b into 1 into negative 1. So b become 1 negative 8. In the next one, x minus 3 will put 0, that is x equals to 3 will put. So the first and the second term of the equation number 1 will become 0. C you are going to get. 3 you have to put in the left hand side also wherever you get x. So 6 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 plus 6 will be equal to b into 3 minus 1, not in here. So c into 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 2. So 3 is a 9, 6 9s are 54. 54 minus 33 plus 6. So this 54 minus 33 plus 6, that is 60 minus 33, 27 you will get. On the right it will be c into 2 into negative 1. So c became 27 by 2. Now coming to the third one, x will be placed as 1. So only a will come because b and c component will become 0. 6 into 1 square minus 11 into 1 plus 6. And this became a into 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 3. So 6 minus 11 plus 6. So 12 minus 11 is 1 only. On the right it's a into 2. So a became 1 by 2. A, B, C we got. Now here we are going to replace a by half, b by negative 8, c by 27 divided by 2. And we'll do the integration. So let me do the integration after taking out all these constants outside. So I1 became, after finding out ABC, half I'm taking outside, integration of dx divided by x minus 1 minus 8 integration of dx divided by x minus 2 plus 27 divided by 2 integration of dx divided by x minus 3. So half log ln you can write, log by c is ln only, modulus of x minus 1, 8 ln modulus of x minus 2 plus 27 divided by 2 ln modulus of x minus 3. So if you remember, I was x plus I1. So just let me add x. This became I. So x plus half into ln x minus 1 minus 8 ln x minus 2 plus 27 by 2 ln x minus 3 plus a constant of integration is your final answer. Now this is the result, or this is the reference or the solution you can refer if you are doing it by yourself, and all about this English writing and the equation numbers you have to give the way you see it here. Logic I told you. Now in this question we have trigonometry and we have to solve it accordingly. So what all we have done in the previous 10 question, the question remains the same. When we put t equals to sin x, this t equal to sin x will give you dt by dx will be equal to cos x. So dt became equal to cos x dx. This I will be equal to, the sin 2x will be what? 2 sin x cos x. But cos x dx is already dt with us. Now if you write this integral like this, sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x, dx is already there. In the denominator it will be 1 plus sin x and 2 plus sin x. 2 plus sin x, so the integration here, cos x dx is already with us, which is dt. And sin x we have already assumed to be t. So 2 we can take outside, 2t, t for sin x, dt for cos x dx. Denominator sin x replaced by t, 1 plus t and 2 plus t. Now we need to integrate this. For that, if you take 2 outside, this is what we have to integrate, and we'll use the partial fraction for the same. So t divided by 1 plus t into 2 plus t, that has to be equated with, because two factors are there, we'll use a and b, capital A and b. A divided by 1 plus t, b divided by 2 plus t. A multiplied by 2 plus t plus b multiplied by 1 plus t. The denominator will give you 1 plus t into 2 plus t. Left hand side become t divided by 1 plus t and 2 plus t. We get cancelled. Of cancellation of the denominator. Let's call it as equation number 1. So one time we'll put at t equals to -2, one time we'll place t equals to -1, and then we'll get the integratable values or factors. So t equals to a into 2 plus t plus b into 1 plus t. This is what we have got already. So put t equals to -2 first, both sides. So this a term will become 0, b into 1 minus 2 will come. That is -2 plus 1. So -2 will be equal to b into -1. So b equals 2. Now coming to the second constant, t we just place it as -1. So the second term will become 0. So -1 will be equal to a into 2 minus 1. -1 will be equal to a into 1. A became -1. So the equation, if you remember, it was 2 integration of -1 divided by t plus 1 plus 2 divided by t plus 2. This is integrable now. So 2 into integration of minus, if you take outside, integration of 1 by t plus 1 will be equal to ln modulus of t plus 1. So log modulus of t plus 1, log base is ln. So ln modulus of t plus 1. Now 2 will be multiplied by 2 inside for the second term. It will give you 4. So plus 4, and then the integration of dt divided by t plus 2. So when you have dt divided by t plus 2, it will give you log base e or ln modulus of t plus 2. So this will be ln modulus of t plus 2 plus a constant of integration. So you have -2 in front, you have 4 in front. You can take this to the power. That is, just write it as 4 ln t plus 2 minus 2 ln t plus 1. That will be easier. 2 will go to the power. So ln t1 plus to the power 2, ln t plus 2 to the power 4. Now you know log a minus log b is log a by b. A log b is log b to the power a. And log a minus log b is log a by b. That's what we are employing here. So we'll get ln t plus 2 to the power 4, t plus 1 to the power 2 in the denominator, plus c. And this I, if you remember, t we have taken as sin x. Now replace wherever you get t as sin x. So ln, just replace t by sin x. So sin x plus 2 raised power 4, and then sin x plus 1 raised power 2 plus constant of integration. This is your final answer. And how you are going to go about it, it's in front of you, and this is the way you have to solve this. This question we'll take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much and have a good one.